The main trigger for me was my child's skin issues, and that was when we really started understanding how everything we eat to everything we use is interconnected with our well-being. 2011, I got to attend the Auroville workshop where they were discussing about all the solutions that were already implemented. And that really made us open our eyes. And then I took a call that I'll quit my work and start looking at implementing these solutions. But then I had to prove it. Initially, when I started my own journey, it was just looking at what was sustainable. PraanaPoorna was, we were looking at the raw materials, how it can be increased in life force. So that got me into thinking of how to go back to the source of unrefined and accordingly look at switching those products. Today, the rampant usage of soap oil and acids are harming both the people who are using it and the environment. Bioenzymes we found is a very good option because the citrus peel is a waste that actually slows down the composting process. So that was a very good use of looking at disinfectant replacements. And we started to look at blending that with the soap nuts so that we can look at the detergents and increasing the shelf life of the products. Bioenzyme is made with jaggery and citrus peels. Now this is effective microorganisms, what we call. We are bringing that back, so it naturally tends to inhibit the growth of any pathogens. I think our connection to earth, we need to remember and bring it back. That is something we are losing in our current education system. When you think that you are a community of people, then the solutions that you think of are different. That is when we can solve the crisis of today.